In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wheel speed sensors on this Volkswagen Jetta Wagon. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. In the back, we're going to pull this cover up. And then there's a cover underneath here. You want to pull that up as well. And you want to find the tool kit that comes with your vehicle for the spare tire. And you're looking for this hook or a hook that looks very similar to that. Grab that. I'm going to take the caps off, use the tool, just go in the center, pull the cap off. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Grab the wheel, pull it off. Underneath, we're going to disconnect the connector. Just push on the tab. And slide the connector off. If you need to, you can use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop the connector off. It's just that little tab that you got to push down. We're going to use a 5mm hex socket. Loosen up the bolt. Take that bolt out. You grab the sensor and pull it out. Sometimes it's stuck in there a little bit, like this one. I'm just going to use some pliers. These happen to be hose pliers, but any type of pliers that you can get on there and just give it a wiggle back and forth. There we go, pull that out. Oh, it broke, that's okay. Try not to break it. It just makes it easier to take it out if you can avoid breaking it. Pull the sensor out. Take the new sensor. Line that up, make sure that's all the way down. Take the screw, get that started. Snug that down. Torque this bolt to 70 inch-pounds. That's good. Take the connector, line it up. And lock it down. Take the wheel, get that lined up. Line it up with the holes. Take one of the lug bolts, get that started. Snug that down. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. That's good. Take the caps, get those lined up, and push those in place. After you're done, you want to put the hook back, go back to your spare tire, find the toolkit, and install it in the toolkit.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.